Howdy everyone, spring has finally arrived in the south of France. That's right, we're still filming from Aix-en-Provence, and as you can see on this beautiful picture, people are going on leisurely about their life at the market, enjoying the terrace and the sun. How beautiful is that? But look at me, I'm still in the kitchen because it's time to cook. And here we are in the kitchen. Welcome back. My name is Stéphane and this is the French Cooking Academy, the place where you will learn to cook like a French chef. The tutorial of the day is the crème des shallots, the shallot cream sauce, white sauce that is served with white fish, or like today, scallops. It's very easy to do sauce, but there is one important technique that we need to master, and that is the reduction, or how to make what we call also sometimes a mignonette. So like the béarnaise sauce, it is the base taste of the sauce. So it's a reduction of white wine, shallots and tarragon. And you take these ingredients, we're going to put them in a pan, we're going to reduce the whole to an almost dry state, and then add some cream, reduce again, and finally we'll be able to have our base taste, and we're just going to add some fresh butter and raise the sauce. And you're going to have a nice, creamy, silky sauce to serve with any fish, or in this case, scallops, and you will see it tastes absolutely delicious. So let's get started. In today's lesson, we're learning how to make the crème des shallots, or the shallot cream sauce. You're going to need the following ingredients to make that sauce: thinly sliced shallot, tarragon, cold butter, this is unsalted plain butter, French style, some dry white wine, and some cream, also called the heavy whipping cream. Now, of course, when we're done with the sauce, you always have to serve it. So as a bit of a practice, we're going to create a starter using some beautiful scallops that I've got here, and that's going to be the dish of the day: scallops with a crème des shallots. Now, before we start the sauce, there's one very important thing to do when you prepare scallops, and that's all about hygiene contamination. Even if you buy scallops like these are some that were out of the shells by the fishmonger. You see these little brown bits and stuff like that? And there can be some black bits. It means, look at that here, that your scallops should always be washed. And this is something that a lot of people actually don't do. You just buy the scallop, and you can trust the fishmonger, but really you want to give your scallops a very good wash to make sure that there is no reminiscence of any black bits or anything like that, to make sure they're really nice and clean. So you're going to wash them and then dry them up slightly with a kitchen towel and store them in the fridge while making the sauce. That's very important. Now when you start, you're going to take a pan, you can put it on medium heat, and the first thing we're going to do is to put all the shallots with a teaspoon of tarragon and the white wine. Okay? And we're going to bring this to a gentle simmer, and we're going to have to reduce all of that wine to an almost dry state. That's the first step. Now, optionally, if you want, you can add what we call the mignonette, which is cracked peppercorn, and black one. This is the black bit you see here. This is what I've done for myself because I want a bit more flavor, but this is just optional. You don't have to do it. As soon as the wine starts to boil, like this, it's a little simmer, I call it the boil, but you know what I mean. This is how it looks like. Don't go any higher than that, and you leave it like this for a few minutes until it almost dries up. Voila, alors, as soon as this is dry, as you can see, it's not burned in any way, immediately we're going to add all of the cream. And again, guess what? We're reducing. So the cream like that, about 5 minutes. Now, while this is reducing, just a quick note, in French cooking the term reducing comes a lot, but it also refers sometimes as, like here, as really cooking the cream. It is also a cooking stage where the taste contained in the shallots is going to kind of go into the cream and infusing. And as you can see, just a slight simmer, don't boil it to death or anything like that. Yeah, take its time for 5 minutes, that's really for the flavor. And if you taste the cream now, you will see you start to have the slight acidity of the white wine and the flavor of the shallot in the background with on top the cream, and that's really the sauce that starts to build itself up. When the 5 minutes are done, you're going to put your heat on very low, and this is basically what you have. And you can have a look, and this is the consistency of what I've got. So it's a nice, thick and creamy. And it's now time to incorporate our butter. So cold butter, and we're going to incorporate not with the spoon, but with a whisk. You get a whisk, get your butter, and we'll start to put it in. Now incorporating the butter, you have to be careful not to put the heat on high. You have to go very slowly because this is binded by reduction. It's only when you have cold butter that it's not going to kind of liquefy. It's a bit like a beurre blanc. So you can even put your pan off the heat if you want. Put it on the side of the stove like that. And bit by bit, with your whisk, gently, you're going to incorporate the butter little bit by little bit. As soon as the bits of raw butter are gone, you can add some more. The sauce is now almost ready. I put the heat off. And you can taste, of course, your sauce. There's no salt. You can see there's a nice balance of butter and cream with the shallot in the background. And I want to add a little bit of salt. It's up to you to season, but I'm putting some rock salt in there. And that's it. We're now ready to basically pass the sauce through a sieve and put it in another small container and keep it warm. And it's a sauce that had to be kept warm. Just time for us to cook the scallops. Passing the sauce is very simple. So you use a sieve like this and you're going to pour everything in. And this is basically to make sure there is no bits of pepper, all the shallots, etc., etc. If you really want, you can actually leave all the bits, if you're at home or anything like that, that's up to you. But, the common practice is you pass the sauce. So with a marise or with a spoon, you're going to push everything down to make sure you've got your sauce in there, you see. Put it in a black pan so you can see. Now for the one that are curious out there, this is the end result of the sauce. As you can see, it's nice liquid, it's nice and clean. And this is a crème des shallots. Now for the scallops, I'm going to have here a chestnut butter. That's the kind of color. And I'm going to put my scallops in there straight in. And make sure the heat doesn't go too high because I want to have this nice coloration going. And I'm using butter because in French cooking, we like butter. So just 1 or 2 minutes on each side to make them nice and brown. After 2 minutes, I'm just going to turn them over. Just want to have a little bit of brown in there. And I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. All right, done. There's a bit of color here, a bit of color on the other side. If you want them to cook them really through, I like to leave them a little bit tender in the middle. So I'm going to put them off the heat for 1 minute of resting time. And I'm going to finish the sauce here. Finishing the sauce, very simple, a hint of cayenne pepper in there, adds a bit of color and a bit of zing to it. And you see these dots of red and we're ready to serve the scallops. Okay, so let's try to plate the scallops. So what I'm going to do on that plate, I'm just going to use a little bit of our cream and just coat the bottom of the plate with a little bit of sauce there. Then I'm going to add some of those scallops in here. Now the advantage with butter is that you can kind of leave the butter on. With oil you have to kind of drain those scallops. Next for a bit of color, I'm just going to throw some of these citrus julienne that I've got. Some orange, just to make it pop a little bit. You don't have to eat those, but I think, just add a nice addition. And to finish, a very simple sprinkle. And a just quick adjustment of the plate, clean up everything, add a little piece of tarragon. And voila, here is the seared scallop with a crème des shallots or a shallot cream. Very simple. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. Remember the tips on making that sauce, the first reduction with the wine and the shallots similar to the béarnaise sauce. And after that, we raise the sauce with the cream and the butter. It is a dairy sauce that is binded by reductions of the product. It goes very well with white fish and like here, scallops. So if you have any question or anything to ask me, of course, use the comment section, drop me a comment or just tell me what you think about that recipe. Now to go further, if you want to see the channel grow, I would love you to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram using the hashtag French Cooking Academy or eventually even becoming a patron on my Patreon page. That would be quite amazing. And don't forget to join me again next week for another French cooking recipe. Take care all, see you then, bye.